Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we got a new unboxing again from Tim. Thank you very much, Tim, for sending me some stuff. As you guys know, he's one of my great friends, and we're starting some things together in the near future. We've had some delays. I know I've mentioned a few things here and there, not saying too much in the video, but those who know. But we've got some licenses and we've got some plans coming up in the future. So definitely stay tuned for some news on my channel. Some new products in the Nerf scene, basically, and so anyway, we'll get into the unboxing. I just want to do a little like introduction news thing beforehand, but yeah, we've got some new things coming up. So we've got an unboxing for Tim. There is obviously something that I bought that he sent to me, and he said he sent me some things extra as well as like a gift, so I appreciate that, Tim. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. And you're welcome to skip ahead or speed the video up, whatever you prefer. Shipping labels are actually a pain in the ass to cut through, even with a good knife. There we go. Oh, okay, so we've got it's got it nicely laid out in the box here. Prop that up. So first, you can see we have the Dark Zone Max Nitro Venom Pro. Thank you very much, Tim, and this is brand new in box still as well. It's had this for me for a while. We just ran into some issues that we've now squared away. Future things that we need as well, which is great. So we're able to get postal a little bit cheaper because of it. So very good. But yeah, I can't wait to review this, guys. So yeah, wait up for the video on this. I'll be comparing this to like the Diana and some stuff like that. So yeah, great. Thank you, Tim, for sending that as well. Okay, so we've got some extra things in here. So we've got some mag couplers for the Katana magazines and the Worker magazines as well. So very cool. Very nice colour. I like them. Thank you, Tim. Very cool. That'll be handy. They're very handy. Nice. So we have a this looks like the coupler for the Nexus Pro X. So that'll be very handy as well. Thank you, Tim. It's very well made as well. Show that to you guys. It's got some weight to it. And this, and I'm actually not sure what this is. It might be a mag holder. This looks like a belt clip, and maybe mags go in here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to ask Tim about that, and then I'll show it in a newer video. Like you'll see it in one of the newer videos. But very interesting, and obviously very well made. There's no flex to this whatsoever. Solid. Very well made. You can see the layer lines are great as well. Very well made. Check the inside of there just so you can see. Yeah, I do believe this would be a mag holder. Just looking at the dimensions of it, and looks like a loader as well. It looks like you'd be able to load it through here. But that definitely looks like a belt clip. So I'm guessing I'm right. I've never seen this before, so I'm interested in checking this out. Thank you very much, Tim. It's interesting. I like the interesting new things I haven't seen. So, and of course, last but not least, we have something else in here too. Those of you wise enough will know what this is. So yeah. Thank you very much, Tim, as well, for sending me this. It's very handy. But we have been sponsored by a company to check something out in the future, so I might as well just, announcing this. The Kit Ploy. It's a very, very great product. Yeah, it's an amazing product. So this will come in handy for making that kit. It's made by Performance Mods. Some of you guys may know him already. He does amazing work in the community, and yeah, so it's a pro performance deploy basically. So check that video out, coming up soon. Yeah, so I nearly dropped it, but yeah, check that video out soon. So thank you very much, Tim, for sending me that, because for some reason I couldn't find any plunger tubes, extended plunger tubes that were shipping to England. I don't know why. There were plenty of American ones, but it was like $70 altogether to buy that, so Tim really did help me out with that. So yeah, definitely go and check out his channel. Links will be down below. Like I say, he helps my channel out a lot. Thank you for the gifts as well, Tim. Like I say, he always sends me gifts, like little things that are extra. Yeah, he's just a great dude, and he's a great friend. He's very supportive if you have like questions or help with, if you're modding something and it's like a Stampede, for instance. He can help you with wiring. He can help you with soldering. He's very good at teaching people things within the Nerf scene. And he's been around in the Nerf scene for a long, long time. A lot of people don't realise that he's an underdog in the scene. He's been around just as long as Chris Cartea. I'd put that out there straight away. And Chris Cartea is amazing, by the way. Go and check him out if you haven't already. He was recently on the Nerf News live stream, which was a great stream to watch. He answered everyone's questions on there. And yeah, again, like Tim, he's just a great dude. He's great to talk to, and he knows how to mod extremely well. He goes right back to when home builds were made. He used to make home builds, and now he's kept up with the times as time's gone on, and that's why we're building something up together, because I believe that he has amazing opportunity, I would say, in building up in the community even more, to be more well known. He's got a lot of skill. He's got a great skill set in the Nerf community, and yeah, I just want to help bring that out into the community more, really, and to show you guys that he is a great dude and he can build pretty much anything if he puts his mind to it. That's one of the things about Teepane that I would say. But yeah, he's just an amazing guy, and check out his channel. He's got a couple of videos. He's starting to build more and more videos, and he will be doing more videos later on as our things that we do together build up. So yeah, it's gonna be a good opportunity for us, and I can't wait to see him grow in the scene just as much as I would be as well, showing his stuff off. And I obviously want to thank everyone that in the past few months that have sent me things to review. Obviously without you guys, this channel wouldn't be as big as it was right now, and and the opportunities that you guys have given me in the scene to help me grow in the community. I've learned so much more from you guys being so welcoming in the scene and kind. There's not really much bad I can really say about the pro Nerf scene in terms of what I get involved in. I don't get involved in every group that's out there, but I'm more into the dart soft type stuff, because as you guys know, if you're one of the viewers that have watched me since the beginning, or for at least 6 years even, I mean, you guys have known that I've been doing airsoft since the very beginning, and sort of moved along with the times, different things, from air guns to the pro Nerf stuff. And mainly, I would mainly say it's because the prices of airsoft now. I mean, for most airsoft pistols, they're like £300, and you can do the translation rate for you if you look at whatever country you're in. So it's the airsoft's become kind of less accessible for people, They still do the cheap spring-powered airsoft guns and stuff, which is nostalgic to me, but it's not like stuff you can use in a war. And there have been some airsoft guns that I've spent a lot of money on in the past couple of years. If you go back through my channel, they're amazing airsoft guns. But I honestly, since more like 4, 5, 6 years ago, I've been slowly getting into Nerf. I grew up with N-Strike, the era and stuff. I mean, if you go way back through my channel, you'll probably find some of it, like the Nerf Raven review. I did that when it first came out. I was only quite young then, you can tell in my videos. So I have been in the community for a long time. I just didn't mod in that sense. I think the first thing I ever modded was a Jolt. I reversed the cocking handle to be straight with the body, so it didn't hit my hand, because I've always had quite big hands. Removed the air restrictors, put stronger springs in, stuff like that. I've done pretty much everything you can really do to a Jolt other than brassing the barrel. But with my humidity that I live in England, darts kind of swell. So the barrel of a Jolt is actually kind of perfect, surprisingly, from where I live. I know that may shock some of you, but I can't copy, from what I've learned in the past few years, I can't just copy everyone's recipes for modding things, for instance. Like the long shot, the X-Shot long shot, there's some people that have really, really long barrels on theirs. I can't do that with mine. The humidity in my country, the darts won't actually leave the barrel, and it's not super common. People don't like to talk about it as much, but if you do some research, you'll find that people have different issues living in different countries with that. So I found with slightly shorter barrels, same springs and stuff, same doing the seals and stuff, but slightly longer, slightly shorter barrel, actually improves the FPS and accuracy in terms of where I live and the humidity that I have. And it does change wherever you live. You can't just copy everyone's mods and it will be perfect every time. You may find that there's inconsistencies and it's not hitting the same as everyone else's in the community, and that is simply because of humidity levels and temperature levels. The darts shrink and expand depending on the humidity that you have, and certain barrel lengths and diameters. If you get like a super tight curry barrel and a long one, you'll have so many issues. So I found that just slightly shorter versions of them, like I can still use curry barrels, but I have to go shorter. It's all a mathematical equation that I don't fully understand, so I just go from what I've learned. But yeah, I know this has been like a quick Q&A type video as well, but I thought I would throw that in just to add extra stuff, because I know unboxings are quite short. So yeah, really that's kind of where I'm at, really. Like I've slowly grown up in the scene, going up in it, and I kind of want to treat it like, that's why I've changed my name slightly to the Auditor, is because I'm kind of showing off what the community have to offer. I'm not necessarily trying to degrade anyone or talk trash on anything. That isn't my plan. It's kind of like, I really like Forgotten Weapons. Like Forgotten Weapons is like one of my favourite channels on YouTube. If you haven't watched him yet, go check him out. Ian from that channel, he's amazing, and the way he approaches his videos in what he does, like his firearms and stuff, the way he approaches it is the kind of the way I like to approach it. Kind of reviewing it, but kind of talking about the company and, you know, where the product has come from over time, and how, you know, how they've slowly grown or fast grown into the market. Yeah, so it's kind of, that's why I did the Cedar and stuff like that, like more classic stuff that still pro, but that was basically one of the first pro blasters that you could just buy out of the box and have pro performance. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at with my channel currently. Obviously I do videos on everything, so you'll see videos on energy drinks, food products, and stuff that I find interesting as well. I've always done that, and you can see that from my videos. I've got over 1,000 videos. I've been doing videos since 2010 as well, so yeah. It's been a long video journey, I guess you'd say, but yeah, so that's it really. I mean, you'll just expect the unexpected in my channel with uploads, because I upload different things all the time, and I think that's why a lot of you watch my channel, because you never know what I'm going to upload next. It's always in that category of things. It's not going to sort of differ and be something weird. So yeah, so that's kind of it really. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Make sure you go check out Tim, like I said. Like this video wouldn't even exist without Tim, obviously, because he sent me the things to review and I wanted to shout him out anyway. So it's like a Q&A / unboxing video, but I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. It's not super long, it's only 15 minutes long, as you can see. So yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.